Hello, welcome to Cards by Kate Fletcher. Today I have a Papercraft Society subscription box to explore with you. This is box number 20 and it is by somebody called Katie Skilton. As always, I will leave a code in the description box of this video which will save both you and myself £5 off a box if you choose to sign up using it. So let's jump into this box. Now I'm expecting it to be very floral because the top of the box is normally a clue as to what's inside, and this is an exceptionally pretty box. There's little butterflies on the side, there's the foiling that we've become accustomed to with Papercraft Society boxes, and I love this greeny blue colour, it's so pretty. So when we open the lid, we have a message from the designer. To be creative is to put a little piece of your heart into each project. We have the wallet. We have tissue paper full of goodies. And there is also a voucher to say that if you share your makes on Craft World using hashtag Papercraft Society, you could potentially win a £50 voucher to spend at Craft Stash. So, as always, let's start with this wallet. It's very pretty. I like this foiling. And the first thing we find is some dies, and it says do something creative every day. And let's just have a look at these together. So I really like this one here. That would be really nice to die cut into the front of a card. We have the butterfly, we've got some flowers and leaves. We have a nice aperture one there. Gorgeous, gorgeous frame. I believe this lady is known for her frames. And we have a sentiment there. I think it's a smile. Yeah, have it the right way up, you can see. So some nice little dies. Really looking forward to using that one. So we'll just slip those back in for now. The next pocket we come to says creative never goes out of style, and we have an embossing folder. So that's a really pretty embossing folder, and you could just imagine that folder with that over the top. Wouldn't that be lush? So we have that, and we also have some pretty papers. So let's explore these. We have florals, which kind of make me think of the 1950s and 60s. Maybe I've just been watching too many Heartbeat reruns. Got some script, looks a bit newspapery or bookish. I've got the green, again, makes me think of Heartbeat and the 60s. Got the pink and white chevrons. This one's pretty. It's like the hearts. That's really pretty. We have some more chevrons. We have some more florals. This one is script again on a green background, which is quite nice. And then we have what I think is watercolour or mixed media card. So there's a fair amount of papers in this box. And the last pocket contains the stamps, and the sentiment on this pocket says, to live a creative life we must lose our fear of being wrong. And I think that's absolutely a brilliant sentiment. And we get very caught up in, have I done something right or have we done something wrong? as long as you're happy with it, surely that's all that matters. I would say some of these are going to coordinate with the dies again. Let's have a look. I mean, that could potentially work with that one. You could probably make that work together. Really nice little sentiments. That's a sweet little border stamp as well. So those are the stamps included in this month's kit. Let's have a look in the tissue paper. Also, let me know in comments whether on a future box you'd rather I start with the tissue paper instead of the wallet for a change, because I will start with the wallet and it might be fun to start with the tissue, but let me know what you think. This is the extra goodies. So we have some embossing powder. I've actually started to use these embossing powders a lot more recently, and the embossing ink, and they work really nicely, so I've been really happy with those. So we previously had a gold and a silver. I think this might be a clearish one, I'm not sure. We have 2 inks. Now we have a black already because I've been using it to stamp with. So although there are some people who may be disappointed to see another black one, I'm really happy to see it because I've been using the black so much recently. When it runs out, I've now got a backup, so I'm happy to see another black. And we have, I think that might be a green. It looks green on the lid. Let's have a little look. I have a piece of scrap card here, so I'm just going to drag it down and we'll see. It's like a greeny blue. I'm not sure the colour on the lid actually correlates with that colour there, because I'd say that was more green and that looks more blue, but it's very pretty. Always good to have ink pads. And then we have the card, Creative Minds Inspire Others, and it's top tips for creating eye-catching cards. So I'll put those with the other ones. Next up we have some gold glitter cards. This is the booklet that comes with every Papercraft Society box. There's lots of inspiration in here. That will be Katie Skilton. So in here we have what's in the box, some contents, there'll be an interview with Katie in here somewhere, and then there will be lots and lots of inspiration from various different designers. So that's always worth a read. And lastly we have our cardstock. We have a green. We have this beautiful greeny blue, which kind of matches the ink. If you hold that up there, but as I said, well, it's not too bad when you hold it there, but it's a really beautiful colour. I really like that. Then we go into a blue. That's kind of a lilac. We have a yellow, then a sunshine yellow, the greeny colour, and finally the pink. So that is everything that's come in this month's Papercraft Society box. This has actually come Monday morning. I'm not going to upload this till Tuesday, which is unusual for me because I normally put these up straight away. But what I'd like to try and do, if I get a chance tonight, is to have a little play with the box and then insert some pictures of what I've made at the end, just as something a little bit different, because that's not what I normally do. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's in this month's box. Let me know if you've got a favourite element or whether you're going to get this box. If you've already got it, let me know what you're planning to make. And don't forget to let me know whether you'd like me to start with the tissue paper first in a future video, or whether you'd like me to continue using the wallet first. I hope everyone is safe and well. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. It means the absolute world to me every time I get a new subscriber. I'll be back soon with more videos, but until then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.